time to start up all the cars. They've been parked for a month or two here after the season's been over, and it's time to get them going. So quick review of what we're going to be starting and moving and shuffling around. So first up actually is not my car. Really cool former Michigan State Police car. A buddy of mine is keeping it here over the winter, and it's got some tricks to it. I'm not going to show you in terms of how to start the thing. We got my Ford here, which is going to be started after that. Then we'll move on and get the Imperial out, and after that the Dodge. After that we'll get the Vauxhall going and take that for a little spin. So here we go. Cars are started. The fleet minus the Jeep and minus that Ford Michigan car. That's great. It's driving with the brake on. but for now that's fine. We're all in with barely enough room to shut the door, and we gotta take that little car home. Runs rough. You can hear this. I think I need a carburetor adjustment. But hey, at least I'm at highway speed, so at least I got it moving. Made it home in the little Vauxhall, parked behind the little Jeep. Too fun. give me candy, but there was no candy. And then the brakes went out and we went right into the river. Oh God! Oh, I can't believe you missed that hole. Okay, now I'm gonna drop you off here by the ladies' room. Okay. And I want you to just get me going down here. Going down the hill? Go downhill, then I'll turn around in the dirt and pick you back up. Alright.
It's a wonderful vehicle. It sounds very impressive. Oh yeah. Ooh, is he gonna get back up? I don't know. It'll be fun to see if he can get up there with me in it again. I'm not so sure. Okay. Ah, the neighbors must love us. Oh boy.
So let's do a little review of what we've done over the last year on this car. Most recently, the most important aspect of this has been the replacement of the windshield. So we got the windshield taken care of. In addition to that, I wound up dyeing the entire headliner with a vinyl paint. Came out really, really nice. So I'm very happy with the way that panned out. Additionally, we rebuilt the armrests. This winter I'll probably take care of the door panels. We installed a new package shelf. And in addition to the package shelf, we've obviously got now the armrests and the new dyed headliners, so that's looking a lot better. Let's see, so just a general reminder, we took care of the bumpers and the tail out housings and tail light lenses. In the trunk area, we have put a new mat in here. And then if I take the mat actually off, there's an old mat underneath. Go way down under here, we also can see we put in a new Vauxhall fuel cell. So there's been some modifications in terms of how that's fitted in here, but that's been improved as well. So there you have it. Took care of the dent that was here. That's been removed. There's a little bit of a blip still right around here, but I'm not really worried about that, and I still think we can get a little more of that dent out. I tried using a plunger on that. Up front, new grille, new bumper. The end caps are still the same. Also, we took care of the air dam down below. And we also painted, stripped down and painted the headlight rims. Took care of the front emblem. Did a little bit of a restoration on the interior of this emblem, but I still need to replace the glass. Also, affixed better Victor emblems. I took the air cleaner off for the drive back from my storage facility home, so that I just had better air intake. I felt like I was being restricted, and that was impacting performance. Obviously, the performance still isn't that great. But again, what we also did here was mechanically replace the slave cylinder for the clutch and the master cylinder for the brakes. Took care of the fuel pump. So overall, I think we've done a pretty nice job of bringing this car back. It's actually very, very presentable now. Taking it to a couple car shows, people tend to laugh at it, but I'm enjoying the car. Registered, running on the road. I think we've had a lot of fun with this over the last year, and pretty pleased with the overall result. So there you have it. Quick summary of what we've done with the Vauxhall over the last year. A little fun ride in the car. I didn't think we were going to make it up that hill. And on the front of the video, I hope you enjoyed seeing sort of the overall fleet, all the cars that I own. I'll do more videos of some of the updates we've done on some of these other cars as well. Again, thanks for watching. And, you know, if you like the videos, great. Please subscribe or make any comments. I'd love to hear comments about what I could do to make this car run a little better, because it's still running like crap, but we've rebuilt the carburetor twice, so go figure. Oh, and I'd also like to thank my my idiot son, the cameraman. He always makes these videos a fun adventure. So, yeah, thanks.
If I have to get out of the car so you can get back up,
Yeah, I know, but
let me know.
Videotape me for a second, so let's talk to me for a second. Okay, so I'm here with my crack cameraman, and we're gonna try to get up this hill with two people in the car. Might not happen, but we'll see. Here we go.